Want to know how to use the completable future in Java 17? Well, no worries. If you want to run tasks in the background, here's how to use them. So let's get right into it. Now, first up, we have this code right here. You can just simply copy up this code and then just look up it and modify it later on. So the run async function runs this task on a separate thread. And after that is done, here the join function that is located right here waits for it to finish. This is great when you want to do background work without blocking your app. And that's it, super simple and easy. So simply this dot join function and then the run async function so simply helps your Java in running to the background. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.